Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
So we start on the 24-hour temperature cast. Going to be a little part of our story for today. Warm to get going into the 70s, and then the temperatures are going to probably level out and not move a lot during the overnight as we continue to surge in the warmer air from the south, and that brings in the moisture and the fuel for that line of showers and storms to sustain itself. We can see a couple of showers throughout the day, but I don't expect an awful lot, and I don't see a lot on the radar around here just yet. It's 57 degrees in Tallahassee. It's 55 in Valdosta. It's 54 in Thomasville. There's a pretty good breeze out there. That breeze is going to turn more south and likely increase a little bit throughout the day to keep bringing in that warm and humid air. Most of the temperatures all tightly grouped together in that 52 or 53 to 57 or 58 range, which is still like 10 or 12 degrees warmer than normal for this time of year. We're going to take a big step back towards more typical December temperatures beginning Friday. As that breeze, which is noticeable, continues from the east today, I don't expect fog to be a big story, but as it turns to the south, that's what brings in some of those warmer temperatures. So even with the clouds, we can see those numbers climb maybe up over 70. Now, as far as the energy goes, and it expends from all the way down in parts of Louisiana and curves all the way back into parts of the Midwest. So it's a pretty impressive line of showers and storms with some much cooler air behind it. There's been a history of some of those dangerous thunderstorms, several tornado warnings south of Jackson, Mississippi already today. So many yesterday through parts of Texas and Oklahoma and Arkansas, and we're going to continue to watch and see how well this line is able to hold together getting into our area sometime before sunrise tomorrow. Now we'll have time to track this and fine-tune the timing a little bit and see how well it's able to hold together, but it does feel like it's before sunrise that it gets to our area, and maybe 8, 9 o'clock is when it starts to scoot out to the east. Then the clearer air starts to take over. The cool air is probably about a half day behind it, so I don't think we flip a switch, get the showers done, and all of a sudden get real cold. But I think by the time we wake up on Friday morning, it's going to feel very different outside compared to all the other mornings we've had for the past couple of weeks. And then I think we stay clear for Friday night, and to start Saturday, we'll start looking to the south for some more energy that might want to pass by to the south over the weekend. Plenty of time to work on that system, but we're going to be entering a different pattern that is going to be allowing, I think, a lot of faster moving and smaller systems to move across our part of the southeast for the next week or two. Small crafts need to be advised. Breezy on the Gulf, winds out of the southeast and south like 15 to 25. It's 50s and 60s with lots of clouds this morning. That breeze will be noticeable throughout the day. We'll slowly start to uptick those rain chances, but really it's going to be after midnight that those rain chances crank up to near 100%. Expect to get wet early tomorrow. Those showers, those storms coming into our area maybe like 4, 5, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and should be done by 9, 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. As we get into the day Friday, much cooler, brighter, and a little breezy. I think we start pretty bright on Saturday and cold. Then we'll have to see if that system to the south can bring some rain chances maybe by Sunday.